friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make banana appam. Very healthy snack recipe. You can easily make your kids go with some banana. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Take one ripe banana in a mixing bowl. Mash it well with a fork. Banana is rich in nutrients, improves blood sugar levels, support digestive system, aids weight loss and support heart health. Now it's nicely mashed. To this add 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of Cardamom Powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix all the ingredients well. Now to this add sufficient amount of water and mix it well. Make sure no lumps are formed. Now we have the perfect thick dripping consistency. Let's see how to make the banana appams. Pull out a small portion and add it directly to hot oil. Let this fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 more minutes. Flip sides in between and fry so that it's evenly cooked in all sides. Now both sides are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove them. Now a delicious and healthy banana appam is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and a healthy recipe. So do try this banana appam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.